All right, welcome back to JECS, everybody. Welcome to another video, man. Today, you guys already know it's the cross varsity jacket here from Supreme, the black colorway. So we're gonna get right into it, man. I want to make this a quick video so you guys can see exactly what you guys can, receive once you guys plan on purchasing this, or if you guys already bought it, you guys can see what it looks like before it gets delivered to your house. All right, guys. So yeah, off rip, we're wearing the Wave varsity jacket that came out in 2024. Love this varsity jacket from Supreme, absolutely amazing. If you guys want to watch that video, you guys can. It's on the channel, and I have a little story behind it because this is a large. My true to size is an extra large, but this is a large and it fits really nice. But this is an extra large, so the cross varsity here is an extra large. So just want to let you guys know about that. But off rip, man, here we go. Have our Supreme stickers as always. There you go. Pretty cool stickers. Pretty cool stickers, I'd say. Look at that. Really nice, really nice. And our classic Supreme sticker here. Yeah, so obviously there's two different colorways with this varsity jacket. There was like the Christmas tree, like the green colorway, and then there's the all black. Now, you guys know me. I love color in shoes, clothing, and all that stuff. I was about to get the Christmas tree color one, but I was like, looking back at it more and more, I'm like, that all black is just so clean, so we had to go with the all black. All right, so here it is, extra large, very heavy, okay. And if you guys want to know what the materials are for this varsity jacket and the retail price, all that is in the description down below, and you will also be able to find all my other socials, including my main channel, JECS Gaming. Link for all that stuff is in the description down below. Now, the retail price for this varsity was pretty hefty. Like, it was like, I can't remember. You guys will see down in the description. I think it's like 500 something, right? Well, no, it's 498, but then after tax was like 5 something. So the Wave varsity jacket cost 600 something after tax. It was like 598, wasn't it, or something like that? It was crazy. But the thing about the Wave varsity is that there's more embroidery to it than the cross varsity, so I'm assuming that's why they charge so much for it, is because of the embroidery. So we'll see, man. But here we go, we're taking it out. And now, if you guys never opened up a Supreme varsity, man, they're heavy. They are heavy, so it's like getting out the packaging is pretty crazy. But here we go, guys. Here it is off rip. We will take all this stuff out. Let's go ahead and unbutton it so you guys can see. See, the Wave varsity didn't have all this. Look at this. Dang, you got the nice little extra protection. That's sick. All right, and here we have it finally. So obviously you guys can put your name, your address, all your stuff here. And as you guys can see, it is an extra large, made in China as well. There it is for you guys. And here it is off rip. Wow. Okay, so okay. Nice embroidered stitching here. Really nice. Okay. Nice. So it has like a basketball jersey type embroidery. If you guys know what that feels like on a basketball jersey type of embroidery, you guys will know what it feels like. That's what it feels like on the back, and that's pretty much the same materials that's on the back. So if you have any basketball jerseys at home that have embroidery like this, feel that, and that's exactly what it'll probably feel like here on the varsity jacket, which is really nice. We have our quilted inside as well, all black quilted inside. Some of the packaging's on there. Thought that was a rip for a sec, but it wasn't. Just some of the packaging. All right, and as always with our typical varsity jackets, on the left hand side of the chest, you'll be able to have an interior pocket as well, so you can put stuff inside of here as well. I'll show that once I try it on as well. Once I put it on body, I'll have a better showcase. We'll also have Supreme embroidered at the left chest here. All embroidered, by the way, if you guys are wondering. We've got some leather on the pockets here, which feels really nice. And there's also bleeds into the inside of the pocket too. And then the rest is just the quilted inside. And as always, you always get, your little packet beads, keep things fresh. Here's a look at the buttons as well. Really nice overall, man. Really good quality. This thing is heavy though. This is heavy. Wearing this with this, it's crazy. So yeah, as you guys can see, there's a look at the back again. Yeah, it feels really good. The embroidery feels really good. Really pleased with it. And once I try it on, I'll definitely be able to tell you if it's going to be worth the price. Off rip, I think it's worth it. I'm assuming some people thought that this jacket was going to be $398. I thought it was going to be $398 as well, because it's not as crazy as this. I mean, this has a huge patch on the front and back, so it warrant a $600 retail pretty much. But this being $500, I think it's worth it though so far, from just feeling the quality. My goodness, the leather quality feels really good. Very soft. I think this is, yeah, this is a lot more rough quality. Yeah, the leather on here is a lot more rough and stiff. This feels a lot more soft, very soft, like extremely soft. Wow. Okay, that's pretty cool. So that's a difference right there. I don't know if maybe things will change over time as it ages. Maybe it'll start stiffening up like this one, but this one always has a more stiff feel to it. So yeah, this one off rip is a lot softer. Other than that, don't see any other extra details. Here's the cuffs right here as well. I like the all black on black throughout the whole Varsity jacket, except for the, you know, embroidery, which has the white hints on it, which is really nice. But yeah, no date like this one. Doesn't show the date, it seems. So overall, really good. Let's go ahead and try it on body right now and see what this looks like on body. All right, guys, so here's a look at the Varsity jacket buttoned up off rip. Don't mind the pants, just wearing some gray pants. But here's a look at it off rip, extra large, true to size, and fits really good. Honestly, it's weird. The XL, because I have a large there, fits pretty much the same as the large. It feels pretty much the same. I think the sleeves are a bit longer. That's pretty much it. But when it comes to the torso, it seems like it's pretty much the exact same part. But here it is buttoned up at first. I want to show you guys it buttoned up. Obviously, the cuffs are all black. The all black on black. This looks clean. I like you can, as a guy that loves color, you can't go wrong with the all black on black Varsity jacket. You can't, man. Like, you know, the green one was nice, you know, but this one's just way better. It's way better, man. Look at this, man. This is clean. Nice, clean look. This is super easy to wear, super clean. You know, you can wear some nice shoes. So really easy to wear. But as you guys can see, the sleeves have the pockets, I meant, have the nice leather on them. Really good. Obviously, the leather on the sleeves is amazing. Nice baggy look to it as well. Very clean. As you guys can see on the chest here, the Supreme embroidery sticks out nice and well. I wonder how it would have looked if this was an all black look to it. Maybe it would have looked a little bit more plain, but I kind of like the little subtle hit on it, which looks really nice. Yeah, there's the back. And yeah, these sleeves are 100% much more soft than the other Varsity jacket. Now, I'm only own 2 Supreme Varsity jackets, the Wave Varsity jacket and this. I own some other Varsity jackets as well. But yeah, this is a lot more plush, a lot more soft leather for sure, which is really nice. There's the side. Really nice overall. Overall, this Varsity jacket is pretty crazy. I'm not gonna lie, it's very crazy. But here's a look at the buttons as well. You guys can see very premium buttons. Everything feels very premium. So far so good when it comes to that. But here's a look at it buttoned, unbuttoned as well. The sleeves as well. And like I said, I don't see any other details. Like you don't see any, you know, year on here or nothing. So it's just all black, plain and simple, which is never wrong at all. But definitely let me know what you guys think about the Varsity in the comment section down below. What you guys think. So overall, really good. And as you guys can see on the left-hand side, on the left chest, got our pockets here with the quilted interior on this side as well. No inner pocket. So far, so good though. definitely let me know what you guys think about the cross varsity jacket in the comment section down below in the black colorway. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it, guys. Definitely let me know what you guys think about the cross varsity jacket here from Supreme. Really nice. Now, you guys might want to know, do I think it's worth the 500 something dollars after tax and shipping? I think so. I think it is. Yes, 100%. You know, I can actually say that because I own a varsity jacket that costs more than this. Like that one, the way varsity you guys saw me wear is 600 something dollars after tax. So 500 definitely feels great. I think the only difference from the $600 difference to the $500 difference is probably the sleeves, because like I said, like the sleeves on that one is a lot more stiff and sturdy. This is a lot more loose and plush, but I mean, I don't see that being too much of a bad thing, really. Actually, it might be a good thing because it makes it more comfortable. But yeah, this looks really good overall. You know, the embroidery looks really nice. You know, if I were to complain about anything, maybe have the embroidery a little bit more. I don't know. It looks good. Like, I can't really complain about it. Like, the back looks really good. I mean, what more could you really ask for? I mean, I like the embroidery on the wave varsity jacket because it's like very plush, but I guess, you know, the whole point of this varsity was to keep it clean and simple, so can't really complain about that at all. But yo, definitely let me know what you guys think about the Supreme cross varsity jacket in the comment section down below. Did you guys go for the black colorway? Did you guys go for the green colorway? And did you guys get both? Let me know in the comment section down below. Or did you guys miss out on this and you guys want to buy it for resale? I know resale for this, I think last time I checked, it was kind of up there. You might want to wait a bit because people are starting to get theirs shipped, so maybe wait a little bit, see if you can get a nice deal. But you don't want to wait too long because varsity jackets and stuff from Supreme tends to go up later on down the line. So I would say wait like at least another 3 weeks, see where the price is at, and cop it then if you guys plan on getting it for resale. But that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys on next one. Signing out. Peace out, everybody.